What's up, everybody? It's your boy Andy J and viewers, AJ7ers. We are now here at our farm. Now we're gonna introduce to you my chickens. These are the chickens, guys. Come out wherever you are. I don't want to flash you, but I can't see it on view because of their color. And yeah, there were trees before. Something has changed here. Yeah, that's why it chopped up due to typhoon, I think. Just to know, this is the area, guys. So these are the papayas, and these are the okra. Problem is I don't have any walking stick or hiking gear, because all I need is hiking shoes. That's the coconut, guys. So we're just walking around. Right, this is the newly road built. Today I'm walking around because I always need to jog every morning. And yes, I don't know why am I holding like this. Yeah, that dog just barked at me. Oh my god. Wow, why are you always getting heard two ways? Like, wow. The news is like this. I need someone to get this thing. I cannot vlog right now. Look at that, guys. See those trees over there? Those are coconut plantations. The crows go caw, and somebody cannot walk. Come on. Where's the officer? Just the dog. Sounds annoying. And crows are everywhere. During rainy season, always Robbie, because Philippines is a rainforest. The climate of Philippines is like a rainforest, because plants are always growing everywhere. Just the pineapple plantation, and yes, here it is, the pineapple plantation. No trees left. This is the coconut, this is the banana, avocado. Over there is, don't know who owns that cow over there. This is a banana trees, newly grown. Since we don't have any fruit left, I don't know why. Our pineapples is like they grow on summertime, like summer months, like in USA, June, July, August. Now it's September. Pineapples can't grow on it. It grow only summertime, like in US. So walking around here. Sorry, bananas. Someone just had a cow there. Just look at that. Look at that field over there. I'm so speechless right now because I'm full. Just finished my just walking around. Coconut field, coconut trees. Those are small ones. They're domesticated since it has fruit. It doesn't have juice yet. I don't know if when it has juice, when you the cows. These are the cows. Yeah, they are. Yeah, he moves so loudly. And I like the farm. Look at that. Just look at this guy. Yeah, rainy season. Farming is not advisable during rainy season. But
You just walk, so we're exercising.
yeah, I'm just exercising right now. If I have a horse, this is where I will take the horse to field. Just like that cow over there. If I have a horse one day, I will put it here and eat the grass there. It's a very big problem. So we need to find malunggay. I don't know if my grandfather here grow malunggay here. Where? That one. So I don't. There's a malunggay here. I think we had food. Huh? Oh. Bakit? Bakit? Ay nako. Malunggay, my favorite. They're my favorite vegetables. Good paired with mongo. Just look at the area, guys. Alice Guo. This is Alice Guo's life. Because she live on a farm. Because she is growing up on the farm. Just look at this. This is the life of cattle ranchers. So this is what you'll do if your job is animal husbandry. You'll work like this. Cannot video steady because I was on a walk. So this is the job. Cattle farming. Cows produce milk and meat. Milk can produce cheese and yogurt. Good for calcium. Beef is good for protein. For our vlog. Thank you for watching our video. This is Andy J speaking. Now signing off.